What if your school could showcase student creativity on a scale never seen before, where every design becomes part of something bigger, and every student leaves with skills that parents will be proud of? Welcome to TKCollab, an inter-school initiative where creativity, teamwork, and real-world problem-solving meet. Throughout the school year, your students will design and build on their own assigned piece of land using tools like Google SketchUp, guided by mentors, and supported with resources from TechnoKids. Then, at year's end, all schools come together to assemble these pieces into a breathtaking model city. A living showcase of collaboration, innovation, and imagination. For students, it's more than an enrichment program. It's a chance to develop real-life skills: design, planning, teamwork, communication, while discovering new talents and career possibilities. For your school, it's a chance to stand out. To give parents a powerful story to tell, that your school equips students not only with knowledge, but with the confidence and skills to shape the future. Each school's project is built with TechnoKids provided resources and support. While TechnoKids maintains stewardship of the models, schools are welcome to display them for exhibits and events, with arrangements in place for TechnoKids to access them when needed. At its core, TKCollab is about more than building models. It's about building perspective. Students walk away inspired, connected, and equipped with experiences that last far beyond the classroom. Join us in TKCollab and let's create something extraordinary together.